Ever wondered what's happening inside your car engine? Let's break down every engine component simply and clearly. The engine block is the foundational structure of an engine. It provides structural support for the engine's components. The block houses the engine's cylinders. It also contains coolant passages for temperature regulation. These features are critical to the engine's operation. The cylinder head is positioned above the engine block in an internal combustion engine. It houses several critical components essential for engine operation. These components include intake valves, which control air-fuel mixture entry. Exhaust valves manage the expulsion of combustion gases. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture, initiating the power stroke. Pistons operate inside cylinders within an engine. They move in a reciprocating, up and down motion. This motion compresses the air-fuel mixture. Combustion generates force on the piston head. The piston transfers this force to the crankshaft. Connecting rods are crucial components in internal combustion engines. They serve as the critical link between the pistons and the crankshaft. Their primary function is to transmit force from the piston to the crankshaft. This transmission converts the piston's linear motion into rotational motion. The rotational motion is what ultimately drives the vehicle's wheels. The crankshaft is a vital component in an engine's power transmission system. Its primary function is to transform the linear motion of pistons into rotary motion. This conversion is essential for powering the vehicle's wheels. As pistons move up and down, the crankshaft translates that to circular motion. This rotary motion is then transferred to the drivetrain, propelling the vehicle. Valve systems control the flow of gases in internal combustion engines. Intake valves open to allow the air-fuel mixture to enter the cylinder. Exhaust valves open to release the combustion gases after the mixture is burned. Precise timing of valve opening and closing is crucial for engine performance. The camshaft is a critical component in internal combustion engines. It precisely controls the opening and closing of engine valves. Valve timing is synchronized with piston movement for optimal combustion. The camshaft's lobes dictate the duration and lift of each valve. Proper camshaft design ensures efficient engine performance. Camshaft timing is crucial for power, torque, and fuel efficiency. Spark plugs are essential components in gasoline engines. They ignite the compressed air-fuel mixture within the engine cylinders. This ignition initiates the combustion process, which drives the engine. The spark plug's function is critical for engine operation. Fuel injectors are key components in modern internal combustion engines. They precisely spray fuel into the engine cylinders. This fuel mixes with air to create a combustible mixture. The combustion of this mixture drives the engine's pistons. The intake manifold is a critical component in an engine's air intake system. Its primary function is to distribute the air-fuel mixture. It ensures even distribution to each cylinder in the engine. This even distribution is essential for balanced combustion. Balanced combustion leads to optimal engine performance and efficiency. The exhaust manifold gathers exhaust gases from engine cylinders. It serves as a collection point for multiple cylinder outputs. The manifold channels these gases into a single exhaust system. This system then directs gases away from the engine. Proper exhaust flow is critical for engine performance. The air filter's primary function is to purify incoming air. It actively prevents dirt particles from entering the engine. It also blocks debris, such as leaves, from entering the engine. This filtration process is crucial for maintaining engine health. Clean air intake ensures optimal engine performance and longevity. The oil pan is a reservoir located at the bottom of the engine. Its primary function is to store the engine oil supply. This oil is crucial for lubricating the engine's moving parts. Proper lubrication minimizes friction and wear. This helps maintain engine health and prolong its lifespan. The water pump is a vital component in an engine's cooling system. Its primary function is to circulate coolant throughout the engine. This circulation process helps to regulate the engine's temperature. By circulating coolant, the water pump prevents overheating. Maintaining optimal temperature ensures efficient engine operation. Radiators are essential components in engine cooling systems. They function to dissipate heat from the engine coolant. This heat dissipation prevents the engine from overheating. Maintaining optimal engine temperature is crucial for performance. The air-fuel mixture is compressed within the combustion chamber. This compression increases the temperature of the mixture. The compressed mixture is then ignited. Initiating combustion. Combustion generates high-pressure gas due to rapid expansion. The expanding gas pushes the piston, converting energy. The four-stroke cycle is a process used in internal combustion engines. The first stroke is intake, where the piston draws air and fuel into the cylinder. The second stroke is compression, where the mixture is compressed. Combustion and exhaust strokes complete the cycle, producing power and expelling waste. Air enters the engine system through a designated intake point. The air then proceeds through a filter designed to remove impurities. This filtration process ensures that only clean air reaches the engine. Following filtration, the air flows into the intake manifold. The intake manifold distributes air evenly to the engine cylinders. This distribution is critical for efficient combustion within the engine. Fuel injection sprays fuel into the engine cylinder. The injected fuel mixes with air inside the cylinder. This mixing forms a combustible air-fuel mixture. The mixture is then ignited, powering the engine. The piston moves up and down in a linear fashion. This linear motion is the driving force. The piston's movement is linked to a rotating component. As the piston moves, it causes the component to rotate. Thus, linear motion is converted into rotational motion. The crankshaft's rotation is a fundamental process in internal combustion engines. It converts the linear motion of pistons into rotational motion. This rotational force is then transferred to the transmission system. The transmission uses this power to drive the vehicle's wheels. The lubrication system is crucial for engine operation and longevity. Oil is pumped throughout the engine to reach various moving parts. This oil forms a thin film between surfaces to minimize direct contact. The primary function of lubrication is to reduce friction between moving parts. Reducing friction minimizes wear and tear, extending engine life. Effective lubrication also aids in heat dissipation, preventing overheating. The cooling system maintains the engine's optimal operating temperature. Coolant circulates continuously through the engine block. The coolant absorbs heat generated by the engine's combustion process. Heated coolant flows to the radiator for cooling. The radiator dissipates heat, and the cooled coolant returns to the engine. Engine assembly involves integrating various components. These components work together to create a functional engine. The process ensures each part is correctly placed and connected. The final result is a complete and operational engine unit. The engine generates rotational force as its primary output. This rotational force is the driving force behind the vehicle's movement. A transmission system efficiently transfers the engine's rotational force. The rotational force is directed from the engine to the vehicle's wheels. As the wheels rotate, they generate traction against the ground. This traction propels the vehicle forward, enabling movement. All these components work together to turn fuel into motion. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a deeper breakdown of any engine part.